She is Ling D. She is the recipient of Super Reader Award, Curious Learner Award, and Best Dressed Award. Eldana Haptia Mukade. She is the recipient of Incredible Improvement Award and Happy Helper Award. Maletro Juan Isabel A. She is the recipient of Kindness Champion Award, Best Listener Award, and Circle Star Time Star Award.
Congrats, Lucy! I'll go to teacher niyo po. Ay, dun sa mami niya.